A gold rush is erupted in Manise, Chirumansi district in the Midlands province, exposing what appears to be a long-running cover-up by Chinese miners claiming to be extracting iron ore in the area. Sana pana mashoko atuna kuti aya vakomana rodhoka aiwa kuridhe rodhoka niye aiwa Mnangagwa's village. Don't forget subscribe or like kuti rambepela kuti ipina vana vanhu chiti. The discovery of gold has sparked a frenzy among locals, drawing people from as far as Mvuma and Chirumanzu to the site. Last week, villagers stumbled upon gold deposits, leading to a rapid influx of fortune seekers. However, the authorities have since stepped in, with police cordoning off the area and preventing locals from accessing the precious metals. This has only fueled suspicions about the true nature of operations in Manise, particularly given the presence of Chinese firms that have long claimed that they were mining iron ore. The incident bears eerie similarities to the Chiatwa diamond saga in 2007 in Marangi, Manicaland province, where villagers discovered diamonds. Initially benefiting locals, the discovery quickly turned into a nightmare as the government deployed the military to suppress artisanal miners violently. Soldiers were accused of brutalizing villagers, forcing them out of the diamond-rich area and seizing control of the mining operation. Thomas wanoguditswa vakomana ZIM action court aiwa panapa minerals kuridhe rodhoka kumanise panapatoona kuti aiwa vakomana vari kunzi vanenge voda kuita zvakaita 2007 kuchiyadzwa zvatakuona kuti vakutoda kutokomba kuti aiwa machinese firms nevamwe vavo vauye vamaine valoite kuridhe. Iti tuze mafundo emuturi pamusoro chiitiko ichi. Pinda kume section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.